Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy A34 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from this account from in Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click remove account, then confirm your action by tap to remove account, confirm. Now enter your password or draw the pattern if you use one from the protect methods. Now in Google account settings, we successfully log out from Gmail app and from the Google account, and we can see that in application we also successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.